how to create an Amazon Associates account, the full guide. So for this, you want to go to affiliate/program.amazon.com. This is the official website, and here's where you actually sign up to join the Amazon Associates program. So like I said, this is going to be a full guide. So for this, you will need an Amazon account. So first you will need an Amazon account, and then just click on this yellow sign up button. So it's going to look like this. And in the first page, you will need to input all of your information. So the payee name, your address, your mobile phone number, and all of the information like that. I'm not going to show you because it obviously contains sensitive data. But if you fill all of this information, then you click on next. And the next step is this, so website and mobile app list. So here's where we enter our website. So for here, if you want to promote your, a product, for example, on your YouTube channel, then you will write your YouTube channel name here. So I'm going to do it like this, and then just click on add. So I can add it like so. You can also enter mobile apps, Alexa skills, URLs, whatever. But once we enter it, you will see this next button. So if we click on here, are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? These traffic sources are not eligible to display banners, widgets, special links, so on and so forth. So for me, no, my channel is for adults, so I'm going to click on no, and then we can confirm this information. But you need to be careful if your channel or wherever your platform is aimed at kids, you won't be able to make an account. So once you actually link your website or platform that you use, what is your preferred associate store ID? So this basically means like nickname. So I'm going to do my channel name. Tell us about the content that you create. I'm going to say educational videos. What can users do on your website? Mobile apps, Alexa skills, Wizard 4, so on and so forth. So basically here you will explain all of your, what you do on your channel, on your platform, on your social media, so on and so forth. So which of the following best describes your content? Comparison shopping engine, coupons, search, content. So I'm gonna do search. How and when did you hear about us? This is mandatory because it has an asterisk. So I'm going to do from the Amazon.com website. And we have to type out this CAPTCHA here. So it's pretty clear, to be honest. So you have to just write this CAPTCHA right like so. And then you agree to the terms and conditions of the Associates program operating. So right here, if we click on finish, then it will tell us that our unique ID is this. We might be able to verify this. And now we have to enter the payment and tax information. So if we click on now, it will ask us to actually log in with our account. And we're going to verify this account right here. So just give me 1 second to receive this code. Okay, so I've signed in. And this is what it looks like. So now you've officially created an Amazon Associates account. So you have to choose a payment method. So you can get paid by gift card, or you can get paid by check. Yeah, the check will be sent to our contact address. By gift card, it will be sent to our primary email. So right here is where we can select it. We can also input information for the taxes. If we click on update right here, I don't know how it's going to work exactly because I'm not from the US, but all right, never mind, it doesn't want to load. If you want to add your bank account, you click on this plus icon right here, and then you click on add a new bank account. You select the bank currency, the account type, whether it's checking or savings account. So here's where you actually input your account holder name, your account number, your bank name, and we have to confirm the account number, and you have to get your routing number. So what's an account number? If we click on here, you can get some more information. But basically this is beyond actually creating your Amazon Associates account. So this is just setup process. So that's how you create an Amazon Associates account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.